be off to?
Sneaking out to make out with my boyfriend that I definitely have.
Seriously, though.
Okay, you caught me. I need to measure the exterior hydraulic mechanisms of door 1, because that's the project I'm working on for school. A big old door, just like what my old man built. I want to join the WDF and hide behind doors like cowards while playing cards and stuff.
Well, we don't just play cards.
Con, can you grab a fresh pack? We literally only play cards so much that the numbers have faded. Oh, hey, Uzi.
Well, when you build doors so good, good door, there's no need to fight. Uzi, this is great news. Here, the wrench I used to tighten bolts on my first door prototypes and to put your mother out of her misery when the murder Jones got to her with that nanite acid. I want you to have it.
Neat. Therapy's fun.
Guys, my daughter is into doors!
Come on!
She's gonna be outside for a bit to examine the exterior of door 1. Your door-specific destiny awaits!
Wow. Okay, just gonna leave then, because this worked so weirdly well. Go doors!
They grow up so fast.
They said pirating all that anime was useless. on that, Dad!
Did you just slap me with that arm?
Holy crap, it talks.
Yeah, sorry, it's just my, head kinda hurts. Hey, are you new to our squad? You're a little, short for a disassembly drone. I'm Serial Designation N. Nice to meet you. I'm kind of the leader of the squad in this city. That's not true. Everyone tells me I'm useless and terrible. Wait, I'm not supposed to tell you that part! Biscuits. Well, honesty is the best policy. I also can't seem to remember the past 3 hours of my life. But I'm sure that'll sort itself out.